Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable PPO network search with UnitedHealthcare, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable PPO network search with UnitedHealthcare, start by visiting the official UnitedHealthcare website. Once on the home page, look for the Find a Doctor option. Click on this option to be redirected to the search tool. On the search tool page, you may see a prompt to log into your account. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. If you do not have an account, locate the option to create a new account. Follow the prompts to set up your new account. After logging in or creating your account, navigate to the search filters. Select the type of plan you have, ensuring you choose a PPO plan. Enter your location in the provided field to narrow down the search results. You may also enter specific criteria, such as the type of specialist you are looking for. Once you've entered the details, click on the search button. The tool will generate a list of providers within the PPO network. Review the search results carefully. You can filter the results further by distance or specialty. Choose a provider that fits your needs and preferences. Click on the provider's name for more details, including. If you have any additional questions, consider reaching out to customer service. They can provide assistance with your PPO network search. Make sure to save or bookmark the information for easy access later. Now you are all set to enable PPO network search with UnitedHealthcare. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.